How to open and view EnCase image file or E01 file data easily. Try SysTools E01 Viewer Tool. Let's discuss key features. Comprehensive E01 file examination. View and analyze data from E01 image files, including email data files, OST, PST, EDB, and other formats like MSG, EML, ICS, VCF, PDF, JPG, and more. Batch processing and file filtering. Scan and load folders and files in batches, offers advanced filtering to categorize and locate specific files efficiently. Wide compatibility and metadata preview. Accessible in 20 languages, with metadata preview for 20+ supported file formats. Standalone tool with multi-OS support, operates without additional software, supporting multiple E01 files simultaneously. To download the software, open Google and search for SysTools E01 Viewer Tool. Now click on the first link. Then click on the Purchase Now button to download. Once downloaded, simply install the software on your system. This is the interface of the SysTools E01 Viewer Tool. To get started, click on Open in the top left corner. This will open the Scan Options window, where you can import your EnCase image file or E01 file. First, let's discuss the select filters. If you want to scan all the data, choose the All filter. The All filter scans EDB files, PST files, OST files, and includes all file types such as documents, photos, audio, videos, and more. Or you can choose Select File Type to filter specific file types. For example, selecting OST file will scan and display only Microsoft Outlook storage files. For now, let's select the All filter to scan all files. In the Browse File Folder option, you can import your files using the Select mode. If you choose the File option, you can select multiple or individual E01 files. If you choose the Folder option, you can import a single folder or multiple folders containing E01 files, perfect for managing larger datasets. For this tutorial, we'll go with the File option. Click on the Browse button, select your E01 files and then click Open. The file destination path will appear. Now click OK button to proceed further. After the scanning process is complete, go to the left panel and click on the folder to view its data. Click on the folder containing the data. There you can view the files and data contained within the E01 file. In the Name column, you can view the file names. Clicking on this column allows you to sort the files alphabetically, either A to Z or Z to A. To the right is the Created Date column, which shows the date each file was created. You can also filter files by date by clicking on the column, arranging them from the start date to the end date. The Modified Date column displays the date when the files were last modified. Clicking on it allows you to sort files, showing either the most recently modified files at the top or the oldest ones. The Last Access Date column displays the date when the files were last opened. In the Size column, you can see the file sizes. Clicking on this column lets you sort the files by size, either from smallest to largest or largest to smallest. Lastly, the File Path column displays the file's destination path. To view the file data, simply double-click on the file. This will open the Preview panel. In the File Properties section, you can see details about the file. Now click on the file to view its data. In the Hex view, you'll see the file data in binary format. Let's open another file. This time, we'll open an OST, PST, or EDB file. Now open the file. When you open these file types, a new window will open. On the left side, double-click on a folder to open it. Open the folder containing the data. Next, on the right, click on the file or email to view its contents. At the bottom, you can view the email or file data contained within. Now close this window. Click on Yes to close. There are additional features available. Let's take a look at them. In the Filter option, you can filter and view specific data. For example, enabling the photo filter will display only the photos from the entire E01 file. You can also filter by audio, video, emails, databases, documents, archives, executables, disk images, deleted items, and hidden items. In the Search filter, you can search for a specific file name to display related files. And that's it. That's how you can view an EnCase image file or E01 file data using the SysTools E01 Viewer Tool. Log on to the product page for more details and to purchase the product. For any queries, email us at support@systoolsgroup.com.